Hey you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I don't know where that came from, just kind of hyper. Anyway, so today we're going to talk about 4 of my favorite... Did y'all just see that? Let's try this again, because you know, I am such a fantastic YouTuber. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over my top 4 drugstore bronzers currently. I do have some more that I'm going to test out, and we'll probably make an update video, but this is what I use right now. This is the drugstore. This is not high-end. This is drugstore. There's a fly. I'm telling you. I heard a fly. Anyway, not going to go on that tangent today. We're not going to go down that rabbit hole. You stay over there. Today, this is Milani Baked Bronzer in the color Glow. Check it out. Like, look at that. Like, you can see the reflectives in it. Okay. But wait. Just look at that. Like, it's buildable. But, look at all the glowies in it. It just picks up the light beautifully. It has some gold reflectives in it. It's just great for the summer. Like, everywhere, it's great. Oh, and this retails for about $8 or $9 depending on where you go. Walmart's usually cheaper. The drugstores usually like $1 more, but also you can normally find sales and coupons. And you can use them anywhere. But anyway, Milani Baked Bronzer in the color Glow. Alright, next is my, here it is, Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sunshine. The packaging's not fantastic, but the price point, it's like $4. Yeah, I'll take a plastic cover for $4. Thanks. Yep. This one has a little bit of reflectives in it. You really can't see it on the camera that well, but it's there, I promise. And it is, oh, it is just, look at how pretty. That's a subtle glow, and it is so buildable. Like, you can just add on and add on. It does not look cakey. You just bring it up to however you want. This is a really great beginner bronzer, because like I said, it goes on kind of subtle, and you can build it up, and it's beautiful. Again, price point, $4. Can't beat that. Alright, next is one that I use all the time. It goes on like butter. It smells a little bit like butter. But it is the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. And this one even has like a little mirror and brush. You can see I've not ever used that. But anyway, it's good to travel with. So anyway, that is it. And it is so smooth. Let's see. We're going to do it on the other hand. We're going to swatchy swatch. Oh. It's so pretty. Oh, the camera doesn't even do it justice. Look, it's what I got on today. Okay? I love it. Love it. Love it. Build it up. You can add layer after layer. Just like the Rimmel. You can add layer after layer, and it is just gorgeous. Okay? But anyway, that retails for about $10. It used to be cheaper, but everybody realized how good it is, and Physicians Formula said, "Oh, we can make some money." But anyway, mine is in the shade light bronze, but it's about $10. Alrighty, and my next one is Catrice California in a box. Okay, this little gadget is an unsung hero. It has 2 bronzers and 2 blushes, and one has a little shimmer to it, and it has a highlighter. Okay, the bronzers are beautiful. The blushes are beautiful. The highlighter's a little lackluster, but you could build it up. It could do some justice if you wanted it to, but I love these. Let me see if I can get them swatched for you good. Do one on my middle finger here, and one on my pinky, because I just did a double dip. So we've got the lighter shade here and the darker shade here. And let's see if I can find a good spot that doesn't have glitter on it. Okay. So the darker one. Alright. So we've got the darker one is here. And the lighter one is here. You can see that. It's, again, they're really pigmented. I like it. I like it a lot. And Catrice was a brand that I had not heard much of. And by the way, none of this is sponsored. Nothing sponsored. I'm not big enough for all that. But you know, if you want to, holler at me. But no. Got my whole 5 subscribers. I'm okay with that. Anyway, the blushes are amazing, but this is about bronzer. So the dark shade, you could even use it as a little bit of a contour and go back into bronze with this, the lighter shade. This is the collection. It's called the number 10 Malibu Beach Collection for California in a box. And it even gives you, look, hold on. It even gives you a little picture back here of what you can do with it. Like, hey, beginner friendly. The price point on this is pretty good too. It was $15, but again, you get, like, this is one bronzer for $10. This, you get 2 for $14, and you get some blushes and a highlight. So this is also really good to travel with. I do believe that you can buy Catrice at, I know you can buy it at Ulta because that's where I got this from, but I believe you could buy it in drugstores. There are so many drugstore great bronzers. You don't have to get high-end. Now, some ones that I want to try as far as high-end, like I want to try the Fenty bronzer. I want to try the Huda bronzer. I want to try the Benefit. Like, I want to try these good things. And I mean, drugstore is great too. Like, I can afford drugstore. But every now and then I want to try something to compete. You know what I mean? So if you guys have any that you kind of like and that you would like me to try out, to compare with something, to look at ingredients and compare them all, I can do all that. I would love to get some more interaction from the subscribers or just from anybody in general. I like to talk about makeup, and I don't really have a friend I can talk makeup with but one. Isn't that sad? One friend that likes makeup. Now, baby daddy will listen to me rant on about makeup. Bless his soul. He don't give a damn at all. But he tries. Because he knows I only have one friend I can talk about makeup with. The rest of them, like, they are great without makeup. They have great skin. Like, Jenny, great skin. I tell her this all the time. But anyway. So, I actually have 2 friends I can talk about makeup with. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry. I have 2 friends I can talk about this with. And I have an acquaintance that I can talk about it with. But bless her heart, she don't know me. I don't know her. And I'm sure she probably thinks I'm weird. Because every time I talk to her, it's about makeup. But anyway, so that's that. You know what I just realized? I did my makeup. I forgot to put on mascara. Y'all have let me sit here and talk to you for 8 minutes. And I had no damn mascara on. Ugh. Well, y'all, I am going to finish my mascara. And I thank y'all for sticking around with me. If y'all like these videos that I'm doing, please hit the subscribe button. Hang out with me. Maybe hit the notification bell so you can see when it comes up. I think right now that if you do a comment on the YouTube video, that it notifies me. Because it has notified me on a couple. But a couple, it has not. So, I don't really know if I have a setting wrong or something, but anyway. If y'all would, please hit subscribe. Come hang out with me. If not, thanks for hanging out with me anyway. And I'll catch you sometime. But you should really hit subscribe. Because I'm fun. I think I'm fun. You think I'm fun? I think I'm fun. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out. I'll talk to you later. I got errands to go, and finally, we have some dimension in the eyeballs. Thanks for hanging out with me without mascara. Bye!